No! Oh, I have an idea.
Let's make a sandwich. I'll add ham, cheese, tomatoes, lettuce.
Professor Lily, I made this keycap for you.
It's so cute! Thank you, Max. Everyone's dismissed.
Oh, yes! Oh, what? No! You ruined my notebook, Ben! Oh, sorry, Max.
Save it. I'm gonna work with June now.
Oh, I need to make it up to Max. I know!
First, I'll hot glue brown foam on both sides of the notebook. Then, I'll use an X-Acto knife to cut out the damaged part. I made it look like a bite. Next, I'll add indents with a ball tool. Now it looks like an ice cream sandwich. Yum!
So these are your...
Max?
Sorry, June. What do you want?
I'm sorry about your notebook. Here! Wait, all my notes are in here. I love it! Ice cream sandwiches are my favorite. Thanks, Ben. No problem.
Wait, come work with us.
Get out of here, Fly!
Ben, what are you...
No, it's not what it looks like, really!
Oh, you ruined it!
Wait, June, I can fix it!
First, I'll make the cover green. Then, I'll add a star in the middle. Aw, check out this cute squishy! I think I'll add it here. Then I'll add stars all around the notebook.
June, I'm really sorry, but I fixed your notebook.
Ooh! I love it! I forgive you, Ben.
Thanks, June.
But be more careful next time.
Okay.
Chapter 7 test answers? Ben, you failed this test and this semester.
Wait!
You'll have to retake my class next year.
To hide my phone, all I need is some markers and a rubber band. First, I'm gonna put a rubber band around my phone. Next, I'm gonna put markers through the rubber band. Make sure to cover the phone as much as possible. Perfect. Now, Professor.
Are you cheating on your test?
No, Professor, it's just my markers. Look.
Well, put them away. You don't need it for the test.
But
I don't want to hear it. Put it away.
Man, I should have studied for the test.
Hurry, Max, I need the other vials. Okay. Here, Ben. I can't see the formula now.
Let me set it here.
Oops. I can't get it to work. I know what to do.
First, I'll use a ruler to fold the cardboard in half. Next, draw two connecting diagonal lines. Carefully cut them out with a box cutter. Let's paint! I'll start with yellow. Then alternate it with blue. All done!
Oh, it's perfect. Thanks, Max.
No problem, let's get back to the experiment.
Yeah.
I won't accept the assignment unless it's written in pen. Yes, Professor. Oh, no. I can't use this.
Use pliers to remove the nib. Then I'll stack up clay colors and roll them together. Next, carefully cut slices with a clay blade. Cover the pen with the slices. Make sure to fill the broken parts. Now roll the pen to blend it all together. After baking, let's put the nib back.
Perfect! I gotta finish this essay. Whoever finishes the worksheet first gets extra credit.
Extra credit? Oh, I got it.
No, me!
No! I lost my page.
It's not that bad.
You win, June.
Oh, I need to make it up to Max. I have an idea.
First, flatten out some yellow clay. Then use a mold to make 2 stars and remove the excess clay. Cut out a piece of ribbon and place it on 1 star. Finally, put the other star on top.
Hey, Max.
What is it, June? You want to make me lose my page again?
I want to give you something.
What's that supposed to be?
It's a bookmark. Look.
Oh, now I won't lose my page anymore. Thanks, June.
No problem. Let's go turn in our worksheets together.
Okay. Well, first I got
talking about how I can do a team
today, but I haven't.
How am I gonna grade all this?
Professor Lily?
Yes, Dean?
You need to finish grading everything today.
But it's too much. There's no way I can finish all this today. Cut the tabs off a cereal box. Then I'll use hot glue to cover it in colorful paper. Then I'll use ribbon to cover the seams. Next, glue 2 more of these boxes. Finally, I'll make some labels. Perfect. All right, everyone line up and turn in your assignments. Single file. Much better.
Hey, Professor.
No headphones allowed in class. Give me them.
Oh, come on, they help me concentrate.
Rules are rules.
It makes...
If I see any more headphones, the whole class is staying for detention.
Okay, Professor.
Everyone get to work. I need headphones to focus. I know.
I hope this works. I'll put the AirPod through my scrunchie.
Looks like we're staying.
But I don't even have music. You took my headphones already.
Please, no detention.
I don't see anything, but I've got my eyes on you.
Phew, that was close.
Here we go. Perfect.
I still need an eraser. Here it is. My pencil. I should have an extra somewhere. Aha! Where's my calculator? Huh? Where do they keep going? Oh, that's where they went. Yes!
Time's up. Everyone turn in their test.
No! Set down strips of different colored clay and twist them together. Blend it all by rolling it into a ball. Now flatten out some pink clay. Put it over the top of the ball and trim off the excess. Blend it out. Carefully cut out a piece with an X-Acto knife. Use tweezers to make it look like you took a bite out of it. Create a hole in the middle using a pencil. Add a horn, ears, and smiley face. Finally, I'll pour out some glitter and dip. Now I'm ready for my test. Sorry.
Hi everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye.